Hey everyone, welcome back to Need for Apps. Building apps with zero coding and zero designing skills, is that what you're looking for? Then this video is for you. So today I am here with a trending tool that has been transforming the world of app development by just creating apps with simple prompts. Yes, I am talking about Bolt.new. You know, I have already shared a short video on Bolt.new, and this video will serve as a guidance for you to master on Bolt.new. This game-changing platform lets you to build apps instantly with just typing the prompts. Yes, you heard me right. Just type the prompt and let's see the magic happens. This tool really empowers you to bring your ideas into reality effortlessly. So sit tight and let us explore together how this revolutionary tool can bring your ideas into reality. During the initial stage of my development journey as a Java programmer, I was frequently told that focus on one tool, focus on one programming language and master it. That's what the industry needs. But going forward, everything has changed. It's no longer about how long you have been coding, it's all about how quickly you can master and adapt new tools. And guess what? The platforms like Bolt.new makes that transition way smoother than ever. The tech world is moving fast and the quick learning is the way to stay relevant always. If you are into coding, you would have probably heard about Cursor AI. An AI-powered IDE, Integrated Development Environment. It is for developers, for those who already know coding. But here, Bolt.new. On the other hand, it's for everyone. Whether you are a seasoned developer or you don't know nothing about coding, Bolt has you covered. With Bolt, you don't need to configure files or set up environment or even write a single line of code. All you have to do is just write simple prompts for developing full-fledged web apps. So the front end, back end and their integration, everything is done with the help of just a prompt. So you can see the real difference on the screen. Bolt really helps us to save our time, energy and money. Then what exactly Bolt.new is? Which is an innovation by StackBits, which is an IDE famous for its full stack capabilities, especially instant full stack development capabilities. It supports JavaScript ecosystem, which means you can develop apps using JavaScript native libraries or frameworks such as React, Angular, Vue.js, Next.js, TypeScript, and more. You don't have to worry hearing these tech jargons because you can develop full stack apps using Bolt based on any of this technology. And keep in mind that it currently does not support Python, C#, CPP, such kind of languages. So it's more focused on web apps and JavaScript based apps. For databases, you can easily connect this Bolt app with cloud-based systems such as Superbase or Firebase or any other such system. That makes Bolt more powerful. Enough talking. Let us see Bolt in action. To begin with, search for StackBlitz in your browser. If you already have a StackBlitz account, then it will be very easy. You will see a Bolt option at the top. If not, you can do a quick sign up. It is free, or simply go to Bolt.new and click Get Started. Fill out the form with your credentials and you are ready to go. As a demo, I am planning to build a simple image editor, an image editor with a minimum functionality. That is what is my intention. So I'm gonna search for a UI design idea for my project. I need some UI. So I'm searching on Google. Let us switch to images and look for a design or we like. So this one looks good for our editor. So we don't have any intention to buy this one. So we are just taking a screenshot for reference. Now let's add this image and here and type in our prompt. Let us hit run. You can see Bolt is creating codes and comments are creating here simultaneously. And all the exporter packages are visible here. So we don't have to think about making packages. So everything is created here automatically. Files are being created. So our app is almost ready. Now let us try testing this app. You can see a section to upload image here and the editing bar is designed as per our reference. Let us try uploading an image. I think there are some malfunctions. You see our upload image is not working. The upload function is not working and upload image is not visible yet. This is not working. So let us give our new prompt to refine this issue. See, we can do this anytime if we need any correction or updates. So Bolt is again working on these codes. Now the refined version is ready. Let us try uploading again. You see Bolt fixed our issue and our image is being uploaded. Now let us get into editing the image. You see, as we toggle the editing bars, changes are being made to our image. And we can download our edited image by clicking here. Here is a downloaded image. And our app is working perfectly. This is a simple test app. This is only for a demo purpose. But for the real world, we need some complex features that only works in the real world. So I would like to add more features. How we can add more features to the current app. I will show you. Suppose I want a feature to add a text box to our image or a text field to our image. For this, I'm going to give a quick prompt here. Let's wait until Bolt finishes the coding. You see, our new feature has been added, and let us deploy our app. So our app has been deployed. Now we can upload an image here. The editors are working. And let us try adding text. Look at that. We have made a fully functional image editor with minimal effort and time. There is one more thing you can do before deploying the app. You may set up your project visibility. Look, you can choose private if you want to keep your app hidden, or secret to give the access with a custom URL, or lastly, public for anyone to access it. So that's it. Now you have successfully learned how to create a custom app using Bolt. And trust me, it gets better once you start mastering it. And why should anyone care about Bolt.new? The answer is simple. Bolt is not just a tool, it's a learning revolution. It makes app development easier, faster, cheaper, and accessible to everyone. Whether you are a newbie exploring development or a seasoned developer looking for prototypes, Bolt will be your go-to platform. Imagine starting a blog with Astro, building a mobile app with native script, or creating a video or coding a video with Remotion. All that is possible with a single click. That's what Bolt promises. And the best part is end-to-end automation. It doesn't just generate your code, it builds, runs, debug, deploy your entire app all in just your browser. So guys, that is for today, and I hope this video helped you learning about Bolt. And if you like more content like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification.